Hi everyone, it's Samuel here from Fullerton Park Dental. Today I'm just going to touch a little bit about our tooth colored fillings that we use here in our practice. So the tooth colored fillings, they are actually called composite resin restorations. In the past, and sometimes currently as well, we normally use metal silver amalgam fillings, but at the moment we're currently shifting more and resorting more to the tooth colored filling, which are composite resin restorations. The primary reasons why we're using composite resin restorations is because of how good it looks in the mouth, how it blends with the teeth, and also how it requires less tooth removal when placing the filling. During the process of placing this filling, the first and main thing is that we want to keep the filling really nice and dry. So that's why if you've had a filling done before, you will sort of get the cotton roll, the dry guard, and sometimes as well the rubber dam attached when we're doing the filling. The filling is sort of placed incrementally and also hardened by the blue light. A question that we get asked quite often from our patients is, would I be able to chew on these fillings right after the appointment? The answer is yes, because these fillings, they are sort of hardened right after placing them by the blue light. So there wouldn't be a problem of breaking this filling right after the appointment. I hope you found my video interesting and helpful. If you do have any questions, leave a comment below or give us a call at 8272 5271. Thanks. Bye.